Are bananas good for weight loss? Packed with essential nutrients and vitamins, bananas have numerous proven health benefits. It is cheap, easy to carry and helps to keep you fuller for a longer period of time. A skinny person is always advised to have bananas for weight gain. But how beneficial is this yellow fruit when trying to lose weight? If you are not sure whether to include bananas in your weight loss diet or not, this article might help you. The nutritional value of a medium-sized banana is fiber 3.1 grams. Vitamin B6, 22% of RDI reference daily intake, vitamin C, 17% of the RDI manganese, 16% of the RDI potassium, 12% of the RDI magnesium, 8% of the RDI folate, 6% of the RDI copper, 5% of the RDI riboflavin, vitamin B2, 5% of the RDI. A medium-sized banana contains about 105 calories, out of which 90% come from carbs. In a ripe banana, most of the carbs are actually sugar content. But it is important to know that bananas are both low in fat and protein. Calorie content: it is true that bananas contain a lot of fiber, but has the low calorie content. Moreover, it contains lots of fiber which can help with easy bowel movement and also maintains digestive health. Having one medium banana can actually fulfill 12% of your daily recommended intake of fiber. In a study conducted on 252 women for about 20 months, it was found that every extra gram of fiber the women consumed reduced their body weight by 0.25 kilogram. The study observed that it happened because fiber keeps you fuller for a longer period of time and may help you consume fewer calories. Benefits of having green bananas: the carb content of bananas depends on how ripe it is. Unripe or green bananas contain a high amount of starch and resistant, while ripe bananas mostly contain sugar. Resistant starches act like soluble fiber in the body and can help in weight loss. In fact, resistant starch may also increase the fat-burning process. Glycemic index: foods containing a lot of sugars are easily absorbed by the body and have a high glycemic index. This can also spike the blood sugar level. It is said that high GI foods are linked to weight gain and increase the risk of obesity and other health-related problems. The GI level of banana is between 42 to 62, that is medium, but it depends on its ripeness. Ripe bananas have a higher GI as compared to greener bananas. Banana for weight loss: there is no doubt that bananas are healthy and nutritious. They are high in fiber and low in calorie content. The fruit mostly has low to medium glycemic index and do not spike blood sugar level as compared to other high-carb foods. However, when it comes to weight loss, there is no study to prove whether the fruit can help to shed some kilos. But bananas do have several properties that make them a weight loss-friendly food. So, if you are aiming to lose weight, then without a doubt, you can include bananas in your diet. But try to have only one banana every day and make sure it is not very ripe.